Hello guys, welcome to review 3 of the Canon R6. Today I'm at a wetland here in my hometown of Knysna. A lovely afternoon, some nice golden light. We'll be testing the camera here, but what I want to share with you is the focus system, the menus, and a whole lot of content which I've created with the view of the EVF which I've recorded, and I'll show that to you and I'll talk through it as we go along. I hope you enjoy this. Here's the AF menu setup that I've been using for the testing of the R6 with moving subjects. Obviously the first would be to have the servo AF on. The next would be the AF method. I've been using auto and face detection. Subject detection I've set to animals. Primary subject, you could also use people. Eye detection I've had enabled, and then obviously continuous autofocus is also enabled. We go to the third AF menu. We have the 5 cases moved from the DSLR type menu. We've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 which are completely customizable for different scenarios. I've been using the auto, seeing how easy and quick the camera can adjust without me making my own settings. And then the last number 5 menu, I've had the initial servo AF point. I've set it on auto, but the great thing here is you can actually let the camera decide where to grab the eye, where the eye is, or you can move the focus point to the area that the eye is in, and then it will track in that specific area, not guessing the whole frame. So that's been the basic setup for me for the R6 testing. Let's get to some of the videos and the tests themselves. So a big part of today's review is the actual bird tracking and eye focus tracking for animals that Canon have really pushed with the system. I've really been impressed. So today I took it out to Buffalo Bay, near where I live on the beach. There's a dead humpback whale carcass and lots of seagulls and other little birds. So I've been tracking them. I can't seem to get them to fly at me, but you'll see the accuracy of the tracking even on the butt of the bird and the body of the bird, and when we do get a headshot it immediately locks onto the eye. So here we go, let's have a look. As we are going through this, you'll see the various clips, some of the subjects close by. Unfortunately a lot of these birds were at full 400 millimeters on the 100 to 400, but as you can have a look here, even though I'm bopping and weaving, it grabs the bird somewhere along the tail there. It was moving towards the head. On the wings, as the bird turns, it will grab the face. So yeah, the tracking and the animal tracking is very good on this camera. As you can see, picks up the face. If it can't pick up the eye, it picks up the head, and if it can't pick up the head, it'll pick up the whole body. So yeah, it's a very good indicator of how the system works. So for those that may laugh at the wobbly footage and the tracking and so on, I'm having to use a Blackmagic on the R6 to record the EVF, and I'm using this actual part to track the birds and stuff. So I do apologize if it's all over the place, but I'm trying my best for you guys to show you the accuracy of the tracking. Here we have a river kingfisher, 4 inches in length, moving the camera back and forth. It's on a perch at 780 millimeters. With the 200-400 f4 1.4 converter engaged and an external converter. The same here with this cormorant, as you can see, swimming, moving its head quite a distance away. It flaps, still managing to grab the head. As I was taking all the photos, as you can see the shutter running on the top left, the buffer rebuilding. Yeah, pretty incredible. You'll see now, moves towards me, still grabbing the head, hasn't dropped it, swims, loses focus. Here we have an egret, nice automatic focus there. I engage the shutter to focus, I let it go, grabs the body. It's still automatically tracking the subject, not necessarily the eye, but staying on the subject. It's a nice busy background, still got the grab on the head, really nice. There we go, out of focus, in focus, beautiful, grabs the eye. There we go. There's a beautiful landing of a giant, sorry, a pied kingfisher. It's another one of our river kingfishers in South Africa. I'll just quickly rewind that for you that you guys can actually see those two together. There we go. And there we have the out of focus, grabs the bird, grabs the eye. Incredible to see. And there we go, landing. As you can see, I was shooting, I shot about 60 shots from it coming to the perch to landing, wings open. Really great. I will try and add a picture now for you. Here we go. Yeah, you can have a look at the picture of the landing. Pin sharp, beautiful image.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, share, do all of the above for me. I enjoy sharing my passion for photography. And if you have any questions, again, please follow the link down below, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Thank you.